Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore a new approach for learning. So, let's get started.
Miss Wooten, I overheard Mr. Smith talking to Mrs. Johnson about a new approach to learning. I think it was called Pogil or Process-Oriented Guided Learning. Have you heard of it?
Yes, Joey, I have heard of that approach. Pogil is a teaching pedagogy that can make students feel engaged, empowered and accomplished. It's really not all that new. Pogil is simply a student-centered, group learning instructional strategy and philosophy developed through research on the ways students learn best.
What does a process-oriented guided inquiry learning classroom look like?
In the Pogil classroom, students work in small groups or teams with their instructor acting as a facilitator. The student teams are in charge of the activities being performed.
So, Miss Wooten, you are saying that the students take control of their own learning in the Pogil classroom?
Yes, Sissy, that is exactly what I am saying. The instructor or teacher is there to guide and ask open-ended questions to help their students with their projects, and to assist students use specially designed activities that follow a learning cycle paradigm. This approach has two broad aims. The first one is to develop content mastery through student construction of their own understanding. The second one is to develop and improve learning skills.
So, what important learning skills are developed in a Pogil classroom?
Very good question, Sam. These learning skills include information processing, communication, teamwork, critical thinking, problem-solving, management, and assessment.
Miss Wooten, does that mean that there are some key components of the Pogil pedagogy?
Yes, there are three key components of the Pogil pedagogy. 1. The classroom is made up of students working in small, self-managed teams. 2. Pogil focuses on developing process skills in addition to mastering course content. 3. The instructor observes and addresses individual, teams, and classroom needs.
Is the Pogil classroom effective for student learning?
I am glad that you asked that question. Research has shown that students respond in a positive way to the Pogil approach. Its effectiveness has been assessed at many institutions. Because of Pogil, teachers and students are actively engaged in an environment where they can share their ideas and progressively work through the problems to achieve their goals. Feedback plays a very important part in the Pogil classroom. The students provide the instructor with instant and constant feedback that help them with the learning processes.
Wow. Miss Wooten, it sounds like the Pogil classroom is a very fun and exciting place to be. Do you think our school will ever decide to use the Pogil approach?
Yes, I do believe that our school will eventually see the positive effects of the Pogil classroom and decide to take the chance and make the change. Now, it's time for our math.
That concludes this lesson on Process-Oriented Guided Inquiry Learning or Pogil. I hope that this information was helpful. Thanks for watching.